I want to show you how to convert this column, this ended column, to day, month, year format. Day, month, year format. Right now is in month, day, year format. So let's do it. Right click at the top here of the column and then change this to, take this option, add column from example, right? Add column from example. Then here, let's click on, so we go on the day first, that's 01/03/2026. Okay, and then this one here, 28 to 2025. Now make sure you use the numbers. Don't change, don't put 02 here. This is 2, just put 2 in the middle here. Make sure you use the exact same number. Right, that's what I've done on the first one, and that's what I've done the second one. See, so it will intelligently pick everything, wrote everything down for you. So let's just quickly check. This is 12/03. This is 19/4. Let's look at these. Um, that seems wrong. Okay, this is end date is 21/9. Okay, something's wrong here. It's off. Okay, so let's look at that again. 28/2, 30/10, 20. This is 29/4. That's 30/10. This is 29/4. So let's correct that. That's 29. Okay, 29. Right. Remember, this is 29/4. That's 29/4, 18/4. So it's corrected the code here, right? 21/5. So you need to always test and check. 21/5, 2011, 2025, 2011, 22/3. That's good. So let's check more at the bottom. 05/05, yeah. 21/9. That's 21/9, 2025. That's good. 19/4, 19/4. 13/10, 13/10. 22/5, 22/5. So that looks okay. That looks okay. Let's scroll down a bit and see if we have the ones with time. Okay, let's check this one here. 13, 27/3, 27/3, 2026. Okay, that's good. So I'm going to click OK here, that I'm happy with the end date, and then I can change that custom in there to end date. End date. That's it. Okay, so that's how to convert that to the format that I want. Thank you.